Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the Google account and updating the Photos app so features work reliably. Next, open Settings and flip on Backup and Sync. This starts immediate uploads. Choose Upload Quality, Original versus Storage Saver, because that determines space and image fidelity. Once set, the app queues photos and videos automatically, so make sure the initial upload completes before you clear anything from your device. This prevents accidental loss and establishes a clear baseline for all future backups. Now refine how and what gets backed up so you control data and costs. Open Backup Settings and pick Wi-Fi only if you want to save cellular data. Alternatively, enable cellular uploads for urgent syncing. Then, go to Backup Device folders and toggle folders like Screenshots, WhatsApp, and Camera. Only selected folders will sync. As files upload, watch progress in the library or settings. This helps you spot stalled items, so you can retry or prioritize important albums once the bulk transfer finish by verifying that photos appear in your account online. Open Photos. Google.com or the app's backups view to confirm timestamps and counts. Once you see everything uploaded, use free up space in the app to remove local copies safely and reclaim storage. If uploads stall or items are missing, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or select the photos and hit upload to retry. This one troubleshooting step resolves most sync glitches, and it prevents accidental deletion before a confirmed backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.